Hey, how's everyone doing out there today? So I just wanted to bring you another update. This is another recall actually from Honda, and this one actually affects newer vehicles. There's 114,000 Honda vehicles right now that have a backup camera issue. And so far, the vehicles that it affects, it's the 2018 to 2020 Honda Fit Hatchback, and then the 2019 to 2022 Honda HR-V. And I guess the issue is the rear camera, when you put it in reverse, it may not display and fails to boot up. So that's actually a recall due to a safety concern. And what they were saying is the reason this is happening is because the display circuit was improperly manufactured. And then because of that, it says it sometimes fails to boot up when the car is started because the battery level drops. And this is according to the report here. So far there's been 200 warranty claims on this since 2018. And they said there's no injuries from this yet. So that's good. And it's stating here that owners will be notified of this March 13th this year. So about a month from now. And they'll have you make an appointment at the dealership, take it in, and they'll do a software update on this. I just wanted to let you guys know if you do have one of those cars. So again, it's a 2018 to 2020 Honda Fit Hatchback, and then the 2019 to 2022 Honda HR-V. So newer vehicles. I know a lot of other people have been having issues with their backup cameras, either delaying a lot when they put it in reverse, or showing some pixelated image that you can't even really tell what you're looking at. So something to definitely pay attention to, because it might expand to different models. I know a lot of times when these recalls start, they'll start with some, and then they'll realize the problem persists in other vehicles as well, since they use a lot of the same parts throughout their models. So again, if you guys have one of those cars, definitely look for a notice being mailed home to you. Or you could, there's a website you can go to. I'm not positive which one it is, but the easiest thing to do, you can always call your local dealer. They'll ask for the VIN number, and they can tell you if it's one of the affected ones as well too. So, but this is a big one, 114,000 cars, so it's a substantial number. So I just want to give you guys a heads up, keep you guys in the loop. It's important to know these kind of things to keep your car running tip-top shape and get it fixed free of charge as well. So again, I hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. I'll have another mod video coming out very shortly. I appreciate all your guys' help. I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.